everyone. So we're going to now swap our candelabra from Halloween decor to Thanksgiving decor. So this again was purchased at Goodwill. It was at the half price sale, so it was $5. And it did have all these little plastic pieces hanging from it, the little prisms. And I pulled all of those off for the transformation for Thanksgiving, because with Thanksgiving things are a little more natural and not as blingy as what I would like them to be for Halloween and Christmas. So I removed everything, and I also flattened out, went around and flattened out these pieces on each of the arms, just again to tone it down from being so fancy. Now one thing I'm also going to do is I need to cover up some of this silver. So I'm just going to take ribbon and trusty hot glue gun and wrap the ribbon all around here. That way we can get this a more natural color and not be so shiny with the silver. Again, we use hot glue also because hot glue you can just pull right off, so we can swap this out for the next holiday without a lot of effort. Have that attached. I'm just going to wrap this around. Now I have the fabric wrapped around the base of the candelabra. That way it has more of a natural color, not so much of that silver. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is on my candles, I'm just going to attach leaves. I'm going to do that by adding a little bit of hot glue on the stem and then just holding that on the center of the candle. And I want to wrap these, so I'm actually going to pull the leaf sides around to each other and just attach those together with another little dot of hot glue. You like that? Now I've wrapped twine at the bottom of the candles. That's just to help them stand up straight. So if your candles are a little bit more narrow than what your holes are, you can wrap some twine around them, and that'll help to keep them centered. Alright, so that's our first candle. We're going to repeat the same process, put those all in, and I will return. So this is the first option that we have. You just wrap the leaves around and cover your little bit of ribbon. Already looks a lot more fall. It covers up some of that silver. It looks a little more natural than glitzy. The other thing you can do is, for your center here, instead of having a candle in it, you can also switch it out to a gourd. So these are the pumpkins I got in that bin for $6.99. But if you need a little bag of gourds, you can get those at your craft stores. They're usually about $6 or $7, but of course you have coupons. So that's another option you can use. You can put a big pumpkin in the middle and keep your leaves in. Or you can also just fit a little baby gourd up there if you don't want a lot of attention brought to it, and just a little bit of detail. And that also makes it a little more fall, or a little more Thanksgiving. And then I have also, grab this. I also have some little corn. I got this bag for $5.99 at Goodwill, and didn't get it 50% off, so it was truly $5.99. And another option you have is you can wrap these around here. I'll do that and show you how that looks as well, just to give you some more options. And to tie the corn around, would use raffia. This raffia, it's $5.49 at Michael's. You can get this at like Walmart, anywhere else that has craft supplies. But at Michael's they do have the 40% off coupon. So I think it ended up being like $3.49, so the $5.49. But we'll attach those. I'll come back and show you guys those options. Okay, so this is our third and final option for the project. And again, we'll be reusing this for Christmas, so I'll have another video within the next few weeks. Happy holidays, you guys, and I will see you on the next one.